Workforce analytics versus HR analytics. What's the difference? HR and workforce analytics are sometimes used interchangeably, but there is a slight difference between them. The term workforce analytics is usually associated with talent management, which analyzes people data. HR covers a wide range of areas within the organization. Day-to-day HR operations, process efficiencies, or strategic organizational issues in other areas might be included. Whenever HR analytics is required, the reference should refer to an organizational commitment to full-scale data collection, reporting, and analysis throughout the organization.